Jog Vlog.
Well guys, it is a beautiful but cloudy 70 degrees here in Derby, Kansas, and I smell a Run Rant for you. Yes, I do. This Run Rant, and I have a feeling I've talked about this before, is on those dealer-applied badges, decals, and stickers they put on your brand new cars. In 3, 2, 1... So my dad bought my mom a brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is basically a Trailhawk loaded up Overland with a really odd chocolate interior. But the point is, he forgot to ask for them not to put the badges on it. So I know that he's gonna end up in 6 weeks when he finally gets it. He's gonna have some badge saying, Davis Moore Jeep. Do we really need to be paying $50,000 plus money for some SUV and have a badge on it? You know they don't put badges on a Lamborghini. We don't want your badges added to cars. .1 mile.
Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Vaughan Jog Vlog is made possible by your support on Patreon. Patreon.com/Vaughan Fry. Because f*** Google.